So many warnings today. Most of them are in New Hampshire.
The National Weather Service in Grayling has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire until 5:30 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brookline, Oregon, 8 miles west of Nashua, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Nashua, Derry, Hampton, Exeter, Merrimack, Salem, Bedford, Milford, Amherst, Litchfield, Hollis, Epping, Brentwood, Mason, Seabrook, Hudson, Brookline, Pelham, and Raymond. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 2. Interstate 93 between mile markers 0 and 19. Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 0 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough and Rockingham. The National Weather Service.
There's been so much severe weather lately. I mean, it's a heat wave going on and all this stuff. Most of them are in New Hampshire right now. I know I got one in my state and all this stuff.
Southwestern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire.
That's why I keep getting the delays, because it's unexpected though. Alrighty then. So that's pretty much about it.